Mindful pause and focus. Pause. Initiating presence. Choose to pause intentionally, stepping away from the daily rush to create space for mindful presence. This moment of pause is an opportunity to disengage from distractions and center yourself. Begin by finding a comfortable seated posture, allowing your body to settle into a position of stability and support. Feel the power of this pause as a gateway to clarity and presence. Reflect. Anchoring in awareness. Direct your attention to your breath, observing its natural flow. With each inhale and exhale, reflect on the sensations arising in your body. Let this awareness become a focal point, gently redirecting your attention whenever it drifts. Reflect on the intention behind this practice, to cultivate a deeper connection with yourself and the present moment. Engage. Compassionate awareness. As your mind wanders, engage with compassion and kindness. Acknowledge the drift without judgment and bring your focus back to the breath. Engage fully with your experience, understanding that this practice is not about control, but about cultivating awareness and acceptance. Expand. Exploring sensations. Expand your awareness to include sensations throughout your body. Conduct a gentle scan, noticing areas of tension or relaxation. Feel the contact points of your body with the chair, the floor, or your clothing. Engage with these sensations as they are, welcoming them with openness and curiosity. Reflect. Observing thoughts. Notice the flow of your thoughts. Reflect on their patterns without becoming entangled. Are they memories, plans, or judgments? Recognize them as transient and return to the sensations in your body or the rhythm of your breath. This reflection builds your capacity for mindful presence. Engage. Listening to sound. Shift your focus to the realm of sound. Observe the sounds around you as they rise and dissolve. Engage with the auditory experience without attaching meaning or forming responses. Allow this practice to deepen your connection to the present. Reflect. Embracing emotions. Bring attention to the emotions that accompany your thoughts. Reflect on their nature. Is it joy, sadness, or something else? Notice where they manifest in your body. Approach these emotions with compassion, neither clinging to nor resisting them. Honor their presence as part of your inner landscape. pause, resting in awareness. Let go of focusing on any single object and rest in an open, spacious awareness. Embrace the flow of sensations, sounds, thoughts, and emotions with gentle curiosity. Like a feather touching a bubble, allow each experience to rise and fade naturally. Proceed, aligning with purpose. In this expansive presence, consider what is called for now. Proceed with purpose, listening deeply to yourself and the world around you. This clarity prepares you for thoughtful and intentional action in your leadership and life. Returning to the breath. As the practice concludes, return to the breath as your anchor. This breath is a reminder of your capacity to pause, reflect, engage, and proceed at any moment. Carry this awareness forward, embodying the principles of the PrEP framework in your daily leadership journey.